You've taken the pencil test and you have a tight chest. The first thing you want to do is statically and dynamically releasing the muscle. And how you do that is with a ball. You can use a lacrosse ball or a softball, tennis ball. Any ball will work, really. The bigger the ball, the more area it will cover and the less intense it'll be on a specific area. If you're just starting, I'd recommend a softball. You're going to be on the floor, on your stomach. Put your arm with the elbow about shoulder height. Find a tender spot in your chest. As soon as you find a tender spot, just hold. Anywhere from 30 seconds to 2 minutes until the muscle relaxes over the ball and there's no pain. Once that is accomplished, roll in and out 5 times. Stop here and then raise your arm up and down 5 times. And then repeat the process on as many tender spots as you can find in your chest. Now you're ready to move on to stretching your chest. You've done the static release. Now it's time to do the chest stretch. You're going to find a door jamb. Place your arm in the door jamb with your elbow slightly higher than shoulder height. Step forward with the inside leg. Lean forward by bending your front knee until you feel a stretch right here in your chest. Hold that for a count of 10. When the count of 10 is done, you'll contract your chest by pressing your elbow forward for a count of 5. When you've done that, release the contraction and lean forward by bending the front knee until you find a new stretch point. Hold that for a count of 10. When that's done, contract your chest again by pressing your elbow forward for 5 seconds. Relax that, and then lean forward again for 10 seconds. And that's your chest stretch.